Good morning. Welcome to tutorial 5 on Microchip PIC16F877 programming. In this lecture, we will be seeing the memory segment of a C program. There are basically 5 memory segments. They are text segment, data segment, BSS segment, stack, and heap. We will look at them in detail. The text segment. The program that is written is contained in the text section. That is, the binary of the compiled program is contained in the text section. This is a read-only section. The data segment. The data segment is to hold the value of those variables that need to be available throughout the lifetime of a program. This section contains global variables that are initialized to some value. Also, the initialized static variables whose values must be retained during function calls are assigned in data section. The space for these initialized variables are assigned at compile time. Having more initialized variable leads to increase in the final executable. The next segment is the BSS segment. This is the place for uninitialized global variable. Adding uninitialized global variable does not increase the code size. A note of the size of the BSS segment is kept in the executable. The size of the BSS segment is allocated at runtime, and then the memory allocated for the BS segment is zeroed. Stack segment. This provides the space for data when the program is executing. So the stack segment does not add space to the size of the executable. When a function call is made, memory is required for storing arguments. Also, for computation inside the function, we use local variables, and for which memory is required. Also, memory is required for saving the context of the caller function and return values. The memory required for the above are provided in the stack. Heap segment. Heap is a segment where dynamic memory allocation takes place. Heap is managed by malloc, calloc, realloc, and free functions. We will understand the BSS segment, text segment, and the effect in memory by seeing an example program. Here we have two variables, testvar and testvar2. The testvar is a variable, it's a global variable that is not initialized. And testvar2 is a variable, global variable again, initialized to a value 10. Testvar2 sits in the data segment, whereas the testvar sits in the BSS segment. We'll just compile the code and we'll see the map file. So I'm compiling the code. The code is compiled and the hex code is being produced. You can see the folder path here. So we'll open the folder. You have a map file here, samplex.production.map. We'll open this map file. You can see the variable here, testvar, test underscore var. This sits in the BSS segment. Test underscore var2. This sits in the data segment. You have a main function that sits in the text segment. So now what we will do, we will try to have another array and we will not initialize it for now. So test underscore array is of size 50 and we are not initializing it with any value. So what I do is just use this test var, use this test ar. So test underscore r, this is not initialized. So where it will sit, it will be sitting in the BSS segment. So we will check that. So I just compile it. Here we have the test array that sits in the BSS segment, test underscore array. This is a variable, array variable, and it sits in the BSS segment. Let us now, I wanted to show you the memory here. If you look into the left pane, you have the program, 121 bytes being occupied, data 63 bytes being occupied, the rest are free. So if I use it as a BSS, it does not increase the program size. Suppose let us say that I am initializing only three of the variables, three of the array elements. Test array is of size 50. I'm initializing three elements of the test array, 3, 4, and 0. If you do that, what happens is the remaining all the elements will be initialized with 0. Now let us compile the code. See the increase in the size, 187 bytes. So from 121 bytes, it has increased to 187 bytes. The program code has been increased greatly because we have tried to initialize the variable. Okay, now we will sit, where does this array sit? Let us see the map file. This test array, now it is in the data segment. Previously it was showing a BSS segment, now it shows the data segment. The stack and heap will not be able to see it here because they are managed at runtime. So we'll be able to see the data segment, BSS, and the text segment here, and the other segments we will not be able to see it. Thank you.